Welcome to the best picks. The best silicone baking mat is probably one of the most sought-after baking tools for home bakers and professional chefs alike, offering a revolutionary non-stick surface that eliminates the need for excessive greasing, resulting in perfectly baked goods every time, and its effortless cleanup and compact storage make it a must-have in any kitchen. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. In this video, we will review the top silicone baking mats on the market, helping you find the perfect one to elevate your baking game. Number 5. Amazon Basics Mat. Say hello to effortless baking and cooking. These reusable silicone mats make cleanup a breeze. It's the secret to perfectly baked goods and easy food prep. Use them again and again. They're made from high-quality, food-safe silicone, so you can trust them in your kitchen. Forget about oil, cooking sprays, or parchment paper. It releases food effortlessly. It can withstand high temperatures, but always use it with a baking tray for best results. Never place it directly on the oven rack. Simply hand wash it with soap and water for quick and easy cleanup. It's that simple. Each mat measures 16.5 by 11.6 inches, providing ample space for all your baking needs. Get 2 mats in every pack, so you always have a spare on hand. Double the baking, double the fun. What we like? This deal offers 2 mats for the price of 1. It's perfect if you need extra baking surface or frequently bake. If you're looking for an affordable and practical option that's easy to clean, this is it. What people say. They come rolled in their packaging but lay flat immediately. Perfect size and durable. Super easy to clean, and I haven't managed to burn or stain them yet. They work well and wash well. They're tough and durable. I highly recommend these for rolling out dough. Rolling between 2 silpat was perfect. Made 8 holiday nut rolls. Worked great. Number 4. Kitzini Silicone Mats. These silicone baking mats are a must-have for any kitchen. Rated indispensable by 96% of our customers, they're BPA-free and built to last. Say goodbye to single-use parchment paper. It can be used up to 3,000 times, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. At 0.75 mm thick, they're extra durable and safe to use with pastry cutters. This set includes 4 half-sheet mats for versatile baking. Simply place them on your baking tray and bake with confidence. Their non-stick surface eliminates the need for extra oil or butter. They provide even heat distribution for perfectly baked goods every time. Enjoy consistent results and happy baking. What we like? This set boasts exceptional durability and thickness, outlasting other brands. It's ideal if you're a serious baker who needs long-lasting mats. If you need multiple mats for large baking projects, this is the best choice for you. What people say. I use one in the kitchen and the others for crafting and polymer clay crafting. I cut one in half to fit a specific thing, and it cut easily and cleanly. Dough doesn't stick to them. I use a light dusting of flour, and they're easy to wash and dry. These are game changers when masking baked goods. No more parchment paper to cut, cookies bake evenly, don't stick, and cleanup is a breeze. Number 3. Hotpop Macaron Mats. It comes with a variety of sizes to suit your baking needs. You'll get 2 half sheets and 2 quarter sheets, perfect for all your baking projects. Say goodbye to extra calories. It eliminates the need for butter or oil, making your favorite treats a little healthier. It's completely non-stick, making baking and cleanup a breeze. Enjoy easy release and effortless cleaning. These reusable mats are reliable and durable, perfect for everyday baking. They're built to last and simplify your baking routine. They are made to high standards, ensuring quality and convenience. It's an essential addition to any baker's kitchen. What we like? Get 4 mats in different sizes to suit all your baking needs. It's great for variety and efficiency in the kitchen. If you are looking for a versatile set that promotes healthy baking by eliminating the need for extra oils, this is for you. What people say. Easy to wash. Thick and can be used over and over again. They work great and are very easy to clean. They are easy to store as well. I've used them with the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit and they worked great, good heat resistance. These are sturdy and attractive. They are easy to clean. Number 2. Silicone Baking Mat. It's made of premium food-grade silicone, safer and softer than other mats. This baking mat is perfect for everyday use and even the most demanding chefs love it. It's extra thick at 0.7 millimeters, nearly twice as thick as others. This added durability means it won't wrinkle or degrade over time. Enjoy a truly non-stick surface that makes cleanup a breeze. Its anti-slip bottom keeps it firmly in place while you work. It's safe for oven, microwave, and freezer use. Simply rinse with soapy water or toss it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. It's great for baking, pastry making, and protecting your countertops. Measurements in inches and centimeters are included for precise work. This versatile mat makes a thoughtful gift for friends, family, or any cooking enthusiast. What we like? This extra thick mat provides superior stability and features helpful measurements. It's perfect for precise baking and pastry work. If you need a sturdy, non-slip mat with measurement markings, this is the one for you. What people say. It is perfect for any kind of sticky dough like cinnamon rolls or scones. I use a knife to cut the rolls and the mat protects my counter from damage. I sprinkle a little flour on the silicone then roll out dough and nothing sticks. When I'm done I wipe it down with a sponge and a little soap. Super easy to clean up and use. Very durable and non-stick. Folds away neatly in a drawer. Wipes clean easily. I like that it has a lot of measurements printed on it and especially the circles for when I am making a pizza. The built-in ruler and dough size guides are incredibly useful for rolling out precise portions, and the conversion measurements printed on the mat save me from constantly pulling out my phone to look things up. The mat is non-slip, so it stays securely in place while I work, and its reusable design is both eco-friendly and easy to clean. It's large enough to handle big baking projects, and the extra thickness ensures durability. Number 1. Katbite Baking Mats. These silicone baking mats are a must-have for any kitchen. They're perfect for baking cookies, macarons, bread, and more. You get 3 mats in this set, 2 half-sheet size and 1/4 sheet size. They ensure even heating for perfectly baked goods every time. It's made from high-quality, food-grade silicone and fiberglass. This means they're BPA-free, non-toxic, and odorless. At 0.7 millimeters thick, they're nearly twice as thick as other mats. This extra thickness prevents slipping and wrinkling during use. These mats are incredibly easy to clean. Simply wash them with warm soapy water or toss them in the dishwasher. They can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making them safe for use in the oven, microwave, and dishwasher. Enjoy years of reliable use. What we like. This set includes 3 mats in practical sizes for versatile baking. It's perfect for those who need a variety of sizes for different baking projects. If you are looking for a high-quality, durable set with multiple sizes, this is the best option for you. What people say. They are way easier to clean than if you just use the pan and it's good quality. I have even baked bacon on it at 450 degrees and it works great. They are easy to clean and keep their color after washing. They also don't cause any bad taste like some cheap silicone does. Nothing has stuck to it thus far. The sizes in this set fit perfectly in my cookie sheets. I've used them several times now and I cannot believe how easy they are to clean. I don't put any spray on the mats when I cook. I just put my food directly on them and everything I've cooked has come out great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.